All right, welcome back. It is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Today we're going to focus on how do you write a thank you letter. So let's go ahead and go over our expectations. Number one, you're going to make sure that you have a nice, sharp pencil and your packet is available and on the correct page. So your pencil nice and sharp. And today's date is May 14th, 2020. Make sure you're on the correct page. So whenever I say pause, please pause the video and fill out the section. When you're finished filling out the section, you just unpause your video. At the end of this video, you will complete an exit ticket on Teams. It'll say exit ticket 4/5/14/20. So, it is Thankful Thursday, so we're going to talk about what we're thankful for. So something that I am thankful for is whenever my students complete their exit tickets on Teams. I am thankful for my students who So this really helps me because I can see if you understand or if you don't understand. So please complete your exit ticket on Teams for me, please. You have until Sunday night. All right, 1 minute to talk about what you're thankful for. Or if you have many things to be thankful for, go ahead and list them using commas and the conjunction and. Okay, you have about 30 more seconds. Coming together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. So let's go ahead and go to our do now. The date is May 14th, 2020. We have an illustration that says knowledge is power. Let's read our letter from our teacher. Dear students, thank you for giving me the opportunity to teach you this year. I want to express gratitude for all of your hard work in third math. Thanks for continuing your strategies and making multiplication charts during distance learning. This will help you be rock stars in 4th grade math next year. I may have gotten Teacher of the Year recently, but you are the class of a lifetime. Sincerely, Mrs. Santa Cruz. Thank you, Ms. Santa Cruz, for this letter. So, let's go to our question. Miss Santa Cruz wrote this letter mainly to, is it A, thank her math students for being amazing this year? Is she thanking you? B, is it to explain how to show strategies and make multiplication charts? Is it C, to inquire or ask questions about questions they have for 4th grade math? So is she asking you, hey, what questions do you have for 4th grade math? Or D, is it to express gratitude for being nominated Teacher of the Year? Go ahead and take 10 seconds to decide. Why did Miss Santa Cruz write this letter? Go ahead and circle your choice and cross out the wrong answers. Okay, you already made a choice, so I want you to find some text evidence. Underline your text evidence that shows why Miss Santa Cruz wrote this letter. Why did Miss Santa Cruz write this letter? Okay, so if you chose A, to thank her math students for being amazing this year, then I agree. She said, thank you for giving me the opportunity to teach you this year. And then she says, I want to express gratitude for all the hard work you were doing in third grade math. That all has to do with you, her students, being amazing this year. Alrighty. So what I noticed that Miss Santa Cruz did really well throughout her entire letter, she made sure that her sentences had swag. So let's go ahead and write swag right here. This is what you're going to be tested on in teams. Thank you for keeping your pencil in your hand. S stands for what? We always start our sentences with a capital letter. Good. What's in between each word? Oh, sorry. Or how is it written? It's written neatly. That means that your teachers can read your handwriting, and you can read your handwriting too. A stands for, that goes to A, which is a space between each word. And then G stands for what belongs at the end of every single sentence. Good, some sort of punctuation, so you give it punctuation at the end. What 3 punctuation marks do we have again? We went over this yesterday. Good, we have a period, for ending punctuation, you have a question mark, and you have an exclamation point. Very good. So, your first step, so we're going to write a thank you letter back to Miss Santa Cruz because I know she was an amazing math teacher for you. And also probably an amazing, just like nice teacher all around. So I want you to brainstorm. What has Miss Santa Cruz done to help you? I'll give you my example. Of course, our examples are going to be different because I'm a teacher and then you're a student, so she's helped us in different ways. So I said she's helped me with calculating grades. That's one way she has helped me in math. Go ahead and write down a way that she has helped you in math. But be specific. I know that she's also helped cheer me up when I'm sad or stressed. I've gone to her room and we've talked things out, and she's really helped me this year in those ways. Also, outside of class, she's a really great friend to me, so I put that she's a fun friend. So I want you to think of 3 or 4 things, 3 or 4 ways Miss Santa Cruz has helped you. So go ahead and pause your video and think of some ways Miss Santa Cruz has helped you. All right, so now we're going to take these great ideas that you brainstormed and create a letter. So make sure that you have all parts of the letter, starting with the date. Does Mr. Renteria have a date? Yes, and I spelled it out, May 14th, 2020. So let me go ahead, I'll highlight it. You can put a check by it, whatever you need to know, whatever you need to do to make sure you have all parts of your letter. Dear Miss Santa Cruz, do I have a greeting? Yes, it's right here. We have dear, we have the person that I'm writing to, and then a comma. Did I make sure that I put a body? Yes, I did. And my body, let's make sure that all of my sentences have swag. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be teammates this year. Does it start with a capital? Yes. I could put space in between the words, so I would need to erase that and write to be. Nice and spaced out. Thank you for always helping me calculate my grades. Did I start with a capital? And I have punctuation at the end. There's space between each word, and it's written neatly. I appreciate you cheering me up when I was blue. Yes, I have all my swag. You're a fabulous friend. Good. Why did I put this exclamation point at the end instead of a period or a question mark? Yes, so I want to show strong feeling because she's not just a friend, she's a fabulous friend. So that's why I put the exclamation point. I have my body. Did I make sure to put my closing and signature? What's my closing? Good, my closing's at the end and it says sincerely. And then my signature is Miss Renteria. Awesome. I have all parts of my letter. It is your turn to write Miss Santa Cruz. I can't wait to show her all the letters that y'all wrote to her, thanking her for being an amazing math teacher. I hope that y'all have a great day. Please contact me on Teams if you have any questions. Also, make sure you complete your goals, please, for AR and Hotspot. All right, y'all have a great day.